What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to install and activate the Imagify WordPress plugin. This is a plugin that speeds up your site with better image. It's going to compress the image in order to occupy less size and be faster loadable with images into WebP and AVIF formats, okay, the best formats to appear on Google results. How to do this is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your browser and type imagify.io. You're gonna be able to see this site. You can try it now for free. No need to pay anything, okay? So you can start with the starter. So sign up, it's free. After this, you're gonna be able to see the plugin account. Right here, all you're gonna need to do is review the upper right corner of your screen. You're gonna be able to see your menu, and right here we're gonna move to API integration, okay? Once on API integration, we have WordPress, and we're gonna need to click on download, and remember to copy this code right here, okay? I'm gonna blur up the code because this is mine, okay? But this is the access token. You need to copy this to clipboard, okay? After copying the code, all you have to do is move to a WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Clicking to upload plugins and then click on Choose File. Now choose the Imagify plugin. Click on Install Now. Then click into Activate Plugin. Then you can sign up, it's free. I have my API key, or go to settings, I have my API key. Then enter the API key right here, okay? This is very important. The key that we have copied from clipboard. After the key placed, your API key is valid. You can now configure the Imagify settings to optimize your image. So go to OK. And then click into the number 3, configure, go to settings. Auto-optimize image on upload, backup original image, up to you. Looseness compression, up to you as well. Then we have these options right here. Let me show you. Select WebP for high compatibility, AVIF superior compression. Please note that the generation process will start automatically after saving the settings. So, next generation image format. It's up to you, okay? The high compression, it's AVIF. The WebP, it's the best for compatibility. All up to you, okay? I recommend that you keep on WebP. Display image into next generation format on your site. Yes, sure. Resize image, up to you as well. There is other plugins from their devs, okay? We have, for example, the WP Rocket, the Rank Math, the Backup, and the Thermally. Click on Save Changes or Save and go to Bulk Optimizer. Now, the plugin gonna automatically start the process as soon as you click on Imagify and all. Start the optimization. And now all we have to do is wait to have better compressed image that gonna loads faster. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!